Let's break down why do sidewalks have cracks. Here's what you need to know. The three main causes of sidewalk cracks, how to tell cosmetic from structural damage, and when to repair versus replace in North Carolina. Quick answer: sidewalks crack for three main reasons. Subgrade settlement pulling the slab downward, tree root pressure lifting it from below, and the combined stress of freeze-thaw cycles plus normal drying shrinkage. Hairline cracks under 1/16 inch are cosmetic. Cracks wider than a 1/4 inch or with vertical displacement are structural and need repair. Every sidewalk you have ever walked on either has cracks or will eventually. Some of those cracks are designed and harmless. Others are early warnings of a slab that is sinking, lifting, or losing strength. Knowing the difference saves homeowners thousands of dollars and prevents a small problem from becoming a trip-and-fall claim. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company in business 15 years, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This article explains exactly why sidewalks crack, how to tell cosmetic damage from structural failure, and what to do about it. The 6 reasons sidewalks crack. Moving on to the 6 reasons sidewalks crack. Concrete is one of the most used construction materials on Earth, and according to the American Concrete Institute, every cubic yard of it shrinks slightly as it cures. That single fact is why the question is not, will my sidewalk crack, but where, when, and how badly. There are 6 causes that explain almost every crack you will ever see in a residential walkway. Drying shrinkage. As mixed water evaporates from the hardened slab, the concrete loses roughly 5% of its volume. The slab wants to get smaller, but friction with the subgrade holds it in place. Tension wins, and a crack relieves it. Subgrade settlement. If the soil under the slab was not compacted properly, or if it was placed over loose fill, the sidewalk sinks unevenly. One corner drops faster than the other, and a diagonal crack opens. Tree root pressure. Roots from oaks, maples, sweet gums, and Bradford pears grow under the slab and lift it from below. The crack appears at the high point. Freeze-thaw cycles. Water enters small surface cracks, freezes overnight, expands roughly 9%, and pries the crack wider every winter. Next up, cracks from the inside. Drying shrinkage. Concrete is mostly water when it goes down. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.